Now that we have designed the different parts of our resume and the number of our slides is finalized, it's time to link to our resume. Now we have to choose the parts we want our resume to have links to, and let's do this. For example, when this shape is clicked on the first page, I want the second slide, which is the section about me, to be displayed. So I select this shape and pay attention. Now the link option is disabled. I want to use the link option. Why did this happen? Because this shape is grouped with the text that is here, and because of this the link option is disabled for it. And in order to activate the link option, we have to select a shape, and I choose this rectangular shape, and we see that the link option is activated for it. And in the insert hyperlink window, we select the place in this document option. And we consider slide 2 for each, and we click OK. And now by doing this, when my resume is running, when the audience comes and clicks on this button, it will be transferred to the next slide. The second slide where the details about me will be displayed here. Now do the same for other parts. Now on the second slide, when somebody clicked on the education option, the third slide, which is the display and contents of the education section, will be displayed, and we must do these for all the slides. In each of the slides, if we click on the education option, slide number 3 should be displayed. So we do this for all parts of our menu. I choose the education option, and if there is a group, be sure to select one part of the group so that the link option is activated for you. In the place in this document section, I select the third option and click OK, and I do the same for the next slides. And since the third slide shows education, there is no need to create a link, but for the fourth slide, I will select education again from the link section and place in this document, and I will select the third slide, and I repeat this for the other slides. Now we go back to the second slide, and we want the fourth slide to be displayed wherever the career experiences text is clicked, so I do this linking on other parts as well. I select the text from the link section, place in this document, and select the fourth slide and click OK, and I will repeat this work for other parts as well. Since the fourth slide displays the content of this part by itself, there is no need to create a link, but I will do this again for the next part. I will go back to the slide 2, and now I will do the same for the skills and training courses completed sections. Which slide is a skills slide? Slide number 5 shows the content of the skills section. So in each of these slides where there are skills, a link should be given to slide number 5. Of course, slide number 5 itself does not need to be linked to itself. So I do this for the parts of this menu. I select the skills text from the link section and place in this document. I select the fifth option, which shows the content of the skills section, and I do OK and repeat this for all the slides. And there is only one option of completed training courses left, which is the last slide, slide number 6, for which I will do the same thing again. I will select the text from the link section, and I choose the 6th slide. We were able to easily link the different parts of the resume to each other. Well, let's see the output of the work together. When we click on this shape, our first slide will be displayed, and by clicking on any part of this menu, the content of that part will be shown to us because we link this work. And now we can save our resume in PDF format from the File menu and Save As in the Browse section. When we click the Save button, our resume is displayed in the format of our PDF file in such a way that the link we made is completely clickable in the PDF file and is done correctly. I definitely suggest you to save the PowerPoint file somewhere, and if you want to change your resume file, you can do it easily. This is also from the project of this part of our training course. I definitely suggest you to practice the things you learn so that you can learn the points correctly. Thank you very much for being with me until this part of the course.